Hello, today we talk about swap, Uniswap V3, and question for this video: what happened when user want swap, for example, 10,000 USDC, but our pool has only 5. What happened? If this transaction will be reverted, or the swap must be fulfilled partially. Yeah, it's two variants, and it's some confusion if you learn Uniswap V3 from book, from Uniswap V3 book from Ivan Kuznetsov. Okay, first answer. In official Uniswap V3 protocol, in official code, we can see that swap will be executed partially. If you want swap 10,000 USDC and invoke function with these params, but pool has only 5, your swap will be executed only partially. It's fast answer. But we have long answer, and I propose shed the light to this question in more details. So when you clone GitHub repository from this book and try do this in code Ivan Kuznetsov, if you try do this in this code from milestone 1, 2, or from this repository, it's Uniswap V3 code, name of this repository, you will receive errors. Why? I don't know. I know why this reverts in code, but why Ivan Kuznetsov doesn't allow us do partial swaps like official code, I don't know. So it will be confusing for you, because I show you now. We have Uniswap V3 pool code and we have function swap. For 177 line, not 484 line, this line is, if we jump 4 ticks and drain liquidity, drain reserves from each tick, and our state liquidity will be equal to 0, we revert transaction. You can't see this check in official code. You can't see this check. It's check only in code for this book. Exactly this. Revert doesn't allow to us execute partially swaps. And if you try do this from code, you can see I'm here in milestone 2. I clone this repository and I go to terminal in this directory. Let's swap 42 USDC token 1 for token 0 user sell token 1 and won't receive token 0. What happened? It worked correctly. I'm just add some console logs here and comment assertion for display information in terminal. So before swap we have pool balance almost 1 Ethereum and almost 5,000 of USDC. And we have amount out. It test work ends successfully, and we swap 42 USDC. Okay, so let's try swap 5,600 USDC. Our pool doesn't have such value of USDC, yeah, because we set up in define stop params only 5,000 USDC here in this line. So let's try do this. Okay, and we have arithmetic overflow underflow. Our swap, our transaction was reverted. Okay, let's move to code in with official UniswapV3 pool. What I do here, I just copy, clone this UniswapV3 code with Solc compiler 8 version 0.8 and implement add some logic from UniswapV3 official code. I add here logic from original swap function. You don't have any reverts here, and we can see how we can see behavior of partially swap UniswapV3 official code. So let's do this. We have test swap by ETH. We have pool with exactly same params, and we try swap to USDC. It's our token 1, and we can go to logs. So before swap pool has almost 1 Ethereum and 5000 USDC. User balance before we must watch to the user balance 1. We mint these 2 USDC to our smart contract, which are our user who wanna swap tokens, and we can see that before swap we have these 2 USDC. After swap our contract, our user has 0 USDC, and we have mount out for 2 USDC. User receive this value of Ethereum with price 5000. Yeah, it's for example. Okay, let's change this and try do next thing. Let's try swap 20,000 Ethereum. Yeah, and you can see what happened next. $20,020, yeah, 20,000. So we mint to our smart contract 20,000 USDC, and after swap he still has this value. So we took from our user our smart contract, which execute swap only 5,200 round of USDC. We don't touch rest value of USDC will still remain to the smart contract, and we execute swap and took from pool all these pool reserves in token 0 minus 1 way. So 1 way we still save, we still don't take, and it means that swap executed partially. Yeah, that's it. It's not a big deal if you maybe invoke functions from user interface, but if you want build UniswapV3 from scratch, you must know how it works, and don't confuse if you learn this UniswapV3 from this book. It's not same like official code. Why after do this, I don't know. Maybe he has some reasons for this, but these questions not clear for me, and I wanna share this information with you. Thanks.